Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I wanted to create this video sharing with you the second results that I've actually started on a second channel, and this channel is I'd say about 40 days old. And if you haven't watched my last video, in there I also showed you another channel that we started pretty much in the same time, and this channel just started blowing off right off the gate. So as you can see, this is my Facebook page, and pretty much this channel is actually, let me go to the video tab, and I can actually show you the actual video that I've actually created on based on this channel. So this channel just pretty much got fast and started blowing up. And a recent video that I did, I showed you the analytics in this particular channel and where is this channel at the moment. So as you can see, this is the video I created, what YouTube automation channel paid us in just 3 weeks from starting. So this is another channel that we started recently, and you can watch this video and actually shows you the inside of the analytics. And this is another channel that we started in the same time, so it's not that old. And pretty much this is the channel that I wanted to show you the results here, right? So pretty much, okay, let me pause quickly. So this is, as you can see, this is inside the analytics. So made in October about $16,000. The RPM on this channel is $8. Okay, and you can see as the results as it is right now. Okay, so but the main thing I wanted to bring it to you, not to show you and flex on you with these results. The main thing I wanted to bring to you in this video is how did I actually get results so fast. Okay, so pretty much what normally people actually do is pretty much they just copy each other, right? If you just copy each other, you can make like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. However, if you want to get massive growth on your YouTube automation channel, you need to not just be swimming with all these fishes, right? You need to be going out of the bloody water. What I mean by that, bloody water, is pretty much you're gonna be carving your own blue ocean niche, okay? Regardless of if there's a lot of competition in a niche, you gotta see what they actually not doing, what you can do and what you can bring to the market, so that way you can actually just be ahead of them. Okay, so that's how I actually got results so fast. And I just saw people were just copying each other, okay, word for word, thumbnail per thumbnail, and pretty much the audience was just getting sick and tired of watching all those content, right? But what I actually did, I got in the marketplace, I got in this new niche, and pretty much I started targeting people and started, okay, so if one video is getting results, I packaged the video in a totally different way what the competition were not doing. That's how I started carving and started getting results very, very fast. And it's pretty much a huge amount of results and success that I actually got from starting these two channels. And I'm really, really excited to be able to share this information, because there's like a lot of people actually saying, oh, you just follow each other, just copy each other. But if you want to be just like everyone, just copy everyone else, you're not going to get massive growth and results on your channel. Okay, so very, very important video I wanted to give to you here. Another thing I wanted to bring to you is there's like a lot of hate comments on my channel. So it doesn't bother me, but I don't want to keep those comments on my channel, right? And pretty much people are saying, oh, if you get already monetized channel, you're not gonna be successful, blah blah blah, you know. But you can see my results. If you go and watch my previous videos, you can see my channel results. And however I actually monetize this channel is the same way that I actually pass this channel to my one-on-one clients. Okay, so that way they don't have to wait like months or even years to actually get monetized. Okay, and now my channel is not monetized. Whatever video actually watching on this channel, it is not monetized. Okay, because I really don't pay too much attention on growing this channel. It is just to share with you the value whatever I'm actually learning, I actually bring to the marketplace, so that way you can actually not make the same mistake what I actually made, right? This is all free really, and unlike all these other gurus who's promising like, oh, make a gazillion dollars in one single month, but they're not actually just being honest to you. Okay, this is the honesty of YouTube automation. It takes time to build up channel. Okay, that's the honest truth. It takes time to learn the craft. Okay, creating the thumbnail, how you can actually have an awesome audience retention. Okay, very important thing. How can you create a awesome script? How can you create a awesome video title, the topic? All this time, all things actually takes a lot of time and practice. And because I've been practicing more than 1,000 hours, I've actually put in this craft. That's how I'm actually getting huge amount of results. So don't expect to come in this phase and start getting results right off the gate. If you're not willing to learn, if you're not willing to adapt, if you're not willing to get out of your comfort zone, you're not gonna get success with YouTube automation model. Okay, there's like a lot of creators who are actually struggling to be able to make money. Okay, but if you have the mindset, okay, so I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna be learning, I'm gonna be investing in myself. If you have that kind of mindset, you're gonna be succeeding. Okay, so don't expect thinking, oh, some big guru told you you're gonna be making a gazillion dollars just by copying and pasting someone else's content on. It won't happen. Okay, this is the honest truth that I'm actually bringing to you. Okay, so whatever your thought is, you can actually put in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. But and don't expect to be making a lot of money if you're not willing to learn. Okay, if you're not willing to learn, YouTube automation is a tough business model. It's an easy concept, but it's a tough business model. Okay, and pretty much I just want to be totally transparent with you, so that way once you come in this business model, if you have the right mindset, you're going to be succeeding. Okay, and there's like no guarantees in this business model. Just like anything, there's no guarantees in life. You will succeed, you won't succeed. It totally depends on you, okay, and your work ethics. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.